Hello guys, welcome to farm today. Today what I want to show you guys is about the updates of the tomato farm. We transplanted recently. I think that was last week that we did transplanting on this particular farm. This is the open field. I've been talking about this particular tomato for like some times now on my channel. If you'll be following, you would see the progress from the time we actually did the nursery planting till the time we transplanted them to this open field, and even while they were doing well in the greenhouse during the nursery stage. I think we documented everything about them, and this is what it is so far. You can come closer to this is what it is so far. So today what we actually want to do is staking for the open field. You know, this is open field. It's not like the greenhouse where you have an already constructed ray by the top where you can drop your staking rope from. So it's not like that on the open field. This has no shade, this has no covering, so you definitely have to, you know, do things by yourself manually. What we do here to help our staking is this bamboo installation. So this is what we do here to help the staking on the open field, since we don't have already constructed rails for the greenhouse. This bamboo, you can see how we're installing them. I think per bed we have about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, almost 10 at every point. You can see the distance is not that too much because tomatoes are actually heavy when they start growing. You know, it's a lot of water. The food that has water a whole lot, not like pepper that doesn't weigh so much. Tomato is usually very heavy, so the distance between this bamboo installation shouldn't be too much, so that when the whole tomato in this first section is tied to this binding wire, it won't overwhelm the weight in this particular section. You know, the weight are evenly distributed, so you need to be closer a little bit. In fact, if you can be closer than this, it's fine, but I think this is still okay if you don't want to waste too many bamboo. So what we do is, after installing the bamboo this way, then we try to use binding wire. You can see this is the first installation, and this is what we're going to do for everything down till the end of the farm. So we install the first binding wire to the other end, and we're still going to install another one on the middle, just so that we can have a firm grid for it whenever we want to do our staking. So from now, you know, we're always very conscious about weeding. When we see them, we don't joke with them. We try as much as possible to make sure there's no weed on our farm. So right now, while this is installed, like I was saying, the next thing we'll do is to install the staking rope. So we're going to drop it per plant. We'll drop a staking rope here, we'll drop one here. I think when we're going to drop it, I'll still do the live video. Like I said earlier, we'll be documenting our journey on this particular channel in this greenhouse farming. So why I'm doing this particular one is because on the other side it's greenhouse, and not everyone has money to just go into greenhouse farming immediately. It could be a little bit expensive to start off with. So even from your backyard, you can do something like this. This is open field, and you're still going to have a massive harvest. So it's part of the reason why we want to document this process as well. So if you're interested in this kind of farming, money is not a problem. If at all you have a small space at your backyard, we will tell you how you'll be very much profitable with that on the long run, right? So we're going to install the staking rope on each of this line. After installing, then there's going to be another binding wire down below tied to this peg that runs till the end, so that it can hold the staking rope from the down, just so that it doesn't fall when we are tying it to our plants and we're staking everything. So that is it about the open field staking, right? And we'll just keep you updated on this channel about our progress, about what we're doing always. Stay tuned and remain profitable in farming. See you other time.